It's Thursday. The time is 5 o'clock. I finished work a couple hours ago and I've got some energy left, so I decided to go on a bike ride. I've got my mountain bike with me here and I have in plan to do at least 20 kilometers today. So we're heading to Little Dartmouth on the coast, and then from there we're gonna go back to town and then back up again. So that should be at least 18 kilometers. The weather is lovely. Apparently tomorrow is gonna be raining, so I thought to myself, I can't waste that day. Just look at the weather, it's so lovely. So I decided, even though I don't have energy, I decided I need to go outside and do something. So I want you to come with me to a little Dartmouth on a bike ride. It's gonna be nice, hilly, steep. We just left Dartmouth and we are heading towards Slapton, where we're gonna turn left towards Little Dartmouth. Now the hill starts. There's a downhill, an uphill, straight upwards. But I should be alright. Got my legs with me today. Kilometer 3. Bloody hell is windy. I wanted to go kayaking, but I'm glad I didn't go. Too windy. So over there in the distance you can see at the very end there's start point where there is a lighthouse, and this is the start bay. And there are some villages, Blackpool Sands, Lapton Sands, and other villages, these sands, that I've been visiting the past few years. But we're not going there. We've been there on the bike the other day, but we're not going there now. Now we're going over there. This route that will take us to the coast, to Little Dartmouth, which is just behind the horizon, behind the fields. It's about 3 miles away. So welcome to Little Dartmouth. You can see where we are right now. We're gonna go this route to the Warren Point, Dancing Beggars, and then towards Compass Cove, Deadman's Cove. Oh no, we're not gonna go this way. We have to go this way, and then go up towards Gallant's Bower, Hillfort, Dartmouth Castle, Wallfleet, and back to town. Should be quite nice because the weather is beautiful. It is gonna be hard, but we can do it. Last time I tried to do it, I almost came off my bike, but now I think the terrain is a bit better. Oh, hopefully I will not come off my bike. I think that was a good call not to go kayaking. See, that's very nice. I was thinking also going kayaking this weekend, but I'm gonna have to pass. It's not even weather to fly a drone, hence I didn't took it with me. My girlfriend said to me last week that she wanted to go kayaking this weekend, and she wanted to go outside the river to ride some waves. She knows I'm afraid of the waves at sea, but I still do it. I think this time, no way, Jose. It's beautiful around here, and I still need to someday get to that island over there. I think it's called the devil, no, snake, no, dragon's tail. I think it's called dragon's tail over there. Maybe next year in summer, hopefully. I don't want to go anywhere else because it's so nice in here. I've got some other places to see. Amazing. Next stop, Dartmouth Castle, which is over there. And now it's uphill, so let's do it. Some routes you cannot cycle, you have to push the bike up because it's too steep. I've got some company. I think they have a happy life in here. Let's see if they're friendly or not. Buongiorno. I hope you're a female. Enjoy. Hello. Where is it gonna be? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go around me or should I go around you? Come on, make your move. Okay. I should go around you then. See you later, ladies. See you in a couple of weeks in Lidl's. Just joking. There was a squirrel. Where's that squirrel? That's just over there. Don't see many of them in here for some reason. There is about 50% chances that I might come off my bike if I start recording like this and cycling and riding my bike. So maybe I should stop. Oh. Yeah, let's stop it. Right, I'm gonna see you in the castle. So delicious. So delicious. Very nice. Little bit sour, little bit sweet. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's push it. Push it real good. Push it. Push it good. Lovely day. A bit rough out there. That's why we're here.
Distance 10 kilometers. Speed 19 kilometers per hour. 454 kilocalories burned.
As you can probably hear, we're on kilometer 10. We are at Dartmouth Castle, which is there. And over here, we've got something old. I don't know what that is, but they have Shakespeare weeks every year. And when they do, they have people up there doing all sorts. I don't know much about Shakespeare. I know he was English. That's about it. That's church. What name of the church it is? I don't know. Something. I've been here only 14 years? No, 15 years. Now we're gonna head back to town. Well, not back to town. We're gonna head to town because we haven't been in town. And I will show you in a minute where the town is. So whenever I'm launching my kayak, I'm launching it here in that cove. Creek, I think it's called. Fleet Creek. It's the easiest way. You can see at the top of the hill over there, there's Hogwarts. No, it's actually Britannia Royal Naval College. That's where King was when he met Queen, and they met on the river when she came around to Dartmouth. That's why I like Dartmouth, because it's always so quiet. Oh. This is my village, Dartmouth. as you see, Dartmouth is quite famous. Loads of things happen here. Many people were born here. And now I'm here. This is not very comfortable. I think I cannot procrastinate this anymore. I think it's time to go up the hill. Let's do it. We are on kilometer 14. I'm gonna have a quick break here. I'm not going this route. It's easy, but it takes longer. Instead, I'm gonna go this route, which is harder but quicker. It's very nice in here. I know I've been here for ages, but you actually, when you slow down and stop and look around, you can actually notice the beauty of this place. Colorful houses, weird trees that doesn't look like English, but very pretty. And we've got a small issue. My gears don't want to change to go to the highest there for some reason, and all the tools I've got is this. Maybe somehow I can do it with that. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard work. I've managed just about with the keys. I need to bounce now. It's late. It's 7 o'clock. Almost at the top. That was hard work, but nice. It shouldn't be that much uphill now, just a little bit. So I'm not complaining. We are pretty much at the top of the town now. I missed sunset. There would be nice views from here, but I was a bit too late. Such a lovely day today, it was. That's it. We're back to where we started, with a little difference. It's a bit darker now. I think they're playing rugby. So thank you once again for choosing me. I hope you enjoyed this movie. Did I enjoy it? Making it? Of course I did. I've only done about 18.5 kilometers. I wanted to do 20, but unfortunately I've run out of time. I still have to cook something for tomorrow to work and have shower and stuff, so that's it for today. Weather was absolutely beautiful. I will persuade my girlfriend not to go kayaking in 2 days' time. weather isn't good for that kind of stuff. So if you like this video, please leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one. I don't know what's the next one gonna be like. We'll see. Anyway, enjoy your evening, and once again, thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.